What's up, everyone? It's Christina, your expert real estate advisor. I'm here with my investor client, Matt Polani, and we're here in front of his beautiful rehab project in Pomona. So tell me about this project, Matt.
Well, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's about 1,400 square feet. We're going to be hitting the market next week at $649,000.
That's great. And tell me how you found the deal.
So we have a real estate flipping academy. So with Fortune Weavers, we teach about 170 students how to market for projects, how to manage projects, and funding and so forth. And so one of our students had sent a ringless voicemail to the homeowner about a year and a half ago, and followed up with her for the better part of a year. Eventually, she was ready to move her family up to Oregon, and so we came in and just asked the question, if I could write an offer today, would you be ready to sign? And they said yes.
Nice. So how long did it take to complete the project from beginning to end?
So a little background on that. Yeah, so the homeowner was a hoarder. They had junk in the front yard, a chain link fence, and a lot of stuff to move out. So when we had purchased the property, they stayed in the house for the better part of 3, maybe 4 months afterwards.
Wow.
Again, this is during COVID, so we couldn't evict them, nor did we want to take a hardline approach. So we worked with them to slowly get their things together and move out. And here we are about 9 months later, so it took a little bit longer for us to get from start to finish.
Great. So let's go check it out. Beautiful. Tell us how you transformed this project.
Thank you. Yes, we're almost there. It's about 90% complete. But one of the big targets and goals when we took this house was opening up the space for lighting. It's pretty dim in here. There's a big tree in the backyard, and so we installed those French doors to bring some backyard lighting, natural lighting in.
You got a view of the mountains too. I just noticed that.
We have a little peekaboo view of the mountains. So the windows are really big. Were a big goal for us to create that lighting, and the same with the kitchen here, as you can see to the left. Opening this space, and so it created a really nice large kitchen for a homemaker, and keeping in tune with the sort of the modern finishes and colors.
Did you have to break down the walls here?
There was an opening, but we just widened that opening. Okay. Yeah, that was existing.
I love the colors that you used here. It's amazing. It's like the teal blue appliances matching the subway tiles.
Yeah, the teal blue came together like an ocean theme. So we have the glass subway tile. We have our Calcutta countertops, shaker cabinets, the matte black. The black on the white is really trendy. One thing I like about the floor is it's waterproof, so it's a vinyl plank flooring.
Right.
So it works you can theoretically run it through your bathrooms if you wanted as well. Yeah, waterproof. Yeah. It looks like wood. It's very durable. For North Pomona, you don't see a whole lot of high end, but we kind of wanted a little touch of that here with our limestone fireplace hearth and reclaimed wood mantle.
That's beautiful.
And yeah, it just kind of worked with the original layout. So go ahead.
Let's check out the bedrooms.
The bathroom, we're keeping in tune with the blacks on whites as an encaustic tile flooring, industrial organic lighting over the vanities, and basic but kind of elegant and classy.
Yeah.
Shaker doors, right? So that goes kind of with the themes going on, and all the trims and the baseboards are all squared, and they're just keeping with really modern white on white.
I love that lighting that you used there too.
This room I remember being sort of a cluster, So in the corner here we had a big rat infestation, and the roof was sagging. There was a major leak, but we did a lot of structural work you wouldn't be able to know in here, and I love how that window above the bed, that rectangular window, gives plenty of light into this room.
Yep, so nice and bright.
Really one of our pride and joys, just because of the space and the balance that we have in the room. We have 3 windows and huge closet for the him and her, and our nice elegant ceiling fan. But you just have that room to really enjoy and expand and spread out. So
it's a nice good size.
Yeah. Nice big shower pan, so subway tile siding and hexagonal tile flooring, shaker cabinets, quartz countertops. Nice, really big space, and you've got your laundry room really close to the master as well.
And what's this room over here?
So yeah, this is, you were taking a just over 1,300 square foot house, and you're really expanding the flow of it by creating this covered patio. Now this patio was here when we bought the home, but again, this opening was not as large. So we're really continuing not only the house, but the backyard and creating that nice indoor-outdoor
I
space.
love the wood beams that you did.
Yeah.
So
Exposed beams, you know, it's plenty of windows to look out, and in Pomona it gets hot in the summer, so it's nice to have a ceiling fan and just a covered, shaded place to entertain. The backyard, new fencing, decent size for a family. You do have alley access, so we're on a corner lot, which is really nice if you have several cars, or you just want to entertain people and have extra parking and so forth.
And it's a two-car garage, right?
It's a two-car garage. Yeah, there's a little workspace behind or attached to it, and
Nice big trees, like.
yeah, added shade. Exactly. So
So it's gonna be completed in about a week.
we'll be ready to list about the end of next week.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So here we are. Project Pomona.
So if you're interested in seeing this house, feel free to call me to schedule a free showing before it hits the market. And if you're interested in selling your house, call me ASAP, because I work with a network of investors like Matt. We buy houses cash as is. We can close fast with no repairs required, no realtor commissions, so we can save you a lot of money. And if you're interested in investing in real estate for fix and flip or buy and hold, call me ASAP. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And until next time, take care and make it a great day.